This is Faria. I am 14 years old and I study in class 8. My sister and I, when I was younger, we used to play with dolls. We used to converse in English. It was our second language. But when we both grew older, my sister was busy in her studies. So I played by myself. I used to watch people speak English, and I adopted American accent. In my school, we used to speak English in our classes too. And I read some books, like the famous Five and its whole series. By reading these books, my vocabulary was really improved. Back then, I watched my parents speaking English. I was admiring them at the back. I wished that I could also speak English like them. So they helped me improve my English skills of speaking, reading, writing, and also listening. And of course, vocabulary and writing. They were really helpful to me all these years. But in my journey, they helped me too. And I used to speak with myself, whether I was emotional every time when I was happy, when I was sad, or very emotional too. I used to speak with myself. And I guess it helped me too. It made me a good person and I was good in English speaking too. So, if you want English speaking and you want English skills of yours to be improved, you can watch movies to improve and not appropriate, but appropriate in which or a moral type of thing. Your speaking should be good by then. I read books for vocabulary to enhance my vocabulary and take help from this channel. And if you want to become this good in English skills of speaking, you should take help from your siblings or family members and speak with them too. You can take help from this channel again. I say it again. You can take help from my channel. And of course, I would be happy if you become a good English skill. You have good English skill of speaking after you watch this video. You can watch this video again and again to help yourself improve. And the biggest fear, of course, you can be confident by this because I was super nervous at that time whenever I wanted to speak in front of a crowd. But now, as I am really good in your English skills of speaking, I did not doubt myself. I am now really confident and I want you guys to also help yourselves and be confident as I am. So please help yourself from this channel and watch this video or audio again and again if you want to be like me. A good English speaker and don't ever give up. Just do not ever give up because I also did not give up. That's why I'm here right now. And thank you for watching this, listening this audio. And please use these tips that I gave you. Thank you very much.